to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to transfer tickets to someone else using Ticketmaster on a laptop, computer, iOS or Android device. So let's get started. You can do it on all of the devices, and all you need to do is open the website or the application of Ticketmaster and sign into your account. And you need to have some tickets within your account, obviously, to transfer them. So first of all, you get a login, and what you're going to do is click on My Account over here, and then you're going to click on Upcoming Events. Now, within upcoming events, they're going to fetch your tickets, and all of the tickets you have will be displayed over here. Right now, I don't really have any tickets, but if you do have, you'll be able to see them listed over here. So if you want to transfer it to another person, what you're going to do is you'll see a transfer button appear next to the ticket. So you can simply click on that and transfer the ticket to any person that has account on Ticketmaster as well. So this is the requirement, that the person should have an account on Ticketmaster, and some tickets may not be transferable. So you can check Ticketmaster's policies for your event, and also transfers cannot be undone once the recipient accepts the ticket. So keep in mind, because you can't get your ticket back, the recipient must have a Ticketmaster account to accept the transfer, and you cannot transfer tickets that have already been scanned for entry. Means you cannot transfer ticket if you have gotten the entry using that ticket. So once you can do that, you'll be able to see that you are able to transfer tickets to any of your friend using Ticketmaster. So that's for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.